Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling the X-Craft Submarine, World War II submarine, from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. So here's all the pieces that come with the kit. The kit can be purchased as a full submarine or a waterline version. If you have purchased the waterline version, you'll have just parts that pertain to the top sticking up out of the water. So that kit obviously will be cheaper because there'll be less parts. But most of the content in this instruction video you will be able to skip. But the top things you should pay attention to. So without further ado, let's get to go and assemble this submarine. So I'm going to separate these parts here, these parts that require no cutting, just to organize things. So this one does require some sprue cutting. There's the little propeller for the submarine. Okay, that part doesn't require, and this part doesn't require. I'm working with a 15mm or the 1/100 scale kit in this video, but it's available in many scales at miniaturetanks.com. So take this big piece and you can clip that away, these little pieces. Just clip that away. And then you have these pieces. You can just clip those away. The cleaning up the sprue marks and such. Alright, this piece, and then these pieces. They're all connected together with sprues, so cut those away. Yep. So all those pieces should be good. So the cutting away process is done for this kit. So the first steps. You can take this piece and glue it together. So take your modeling glue and just put some glue here. And then take this, you can use the surface of the table to help you with this procedure if you wish. You can take it and just make sure that it's glued in the correct spot. Very good. Up next is let's glue on this piece. So, some glue. And let's just put some little bit of modeling glue there. There you go. And then take this piece to make sure, like I said, you can use the table to help make sure it goes down correctly. So now, this is the part that pertains to the waterline version of this kit. So if you have purchased the waterline version, these steps will be for you as well. Yeah, just put some glue like that, and take this piece and simply have it go like that. And then take some glue and put it up front here. Perfect. So there's the front. There it is. For this and stuff, we're going to do that later, because for now we're focusing on the waterline version for those who have purchased the waterline version. So we'll do all the little things on top that apply to the waterline version kit. So first of all, you want to take some glue. Put glue there. And glue there. Then take this piece. Might want some tweezers for this procedure. And essentially, yeah, so just stick that little piece on there and try to get it in the correct position there. It can be a little tricky. So then take some glue and essentially do it the same on the other side. And take your tweezers. Try to get a good grip on that. There you go. There you go. Those two pieces are good. This is that piece for the submarine. We're not done, though, with the process for this. And try to not have that get knocked over. It's delicate parts there. There you go. Now take these two pieces and we'll just get a little bit of glue here. And then put this other side of this piece on. Like that. There you go. So, to make sure that the bottom part of this piece is nice and flat, you want that because that'll be glued down onto the submarine. And go ahead and take a bit of glue and put it right there. And take this piece, put it like that. There you go. Pretty good. So we're not done with this process. Take this little piece. Just put a little bit of glue there. Then take the other half of this piece. Put it like that. There you go. Then take this, put a bit of glue right there. And take a tweezer, probably would be your best bet. Put that piece like that. There's the next piece for this submarine. But we're not done. Take this piece, put it like that. Probably take a tweezer for that process, and then put this piece there. All right, so essentially this makes this top version of the submarine complete. And as usual, always reference historical photographs as well as this assembly video to make sure that you're getting all of them in the correct position. So if you have purchased the Waterline version of this kit, I believe you're actually done now. But since this video will be for everything, we will continue on with the assembly process for all the other parts. So just put some glue on this part And let's put these two together. You can use the table as a guide. There you go. That makes it easy. And then you will notice this piece here can go there. That. Get that little piece off there so it glues on well. There you go. So for sure, let's go ahead and put some glue down. And then you can take this piece, put it on like that. Very good. And then that'll go like that. So, without further ado, take some glue, put it around this edge here. Take this piece and put it on like that. There you go. That should be good. Now there's actually another step to this. You want to take this piece, put it on there. So essentially just take a dab of glue, put it there. That's enough. And then just take this piece and put it on like that. Yeah, just try to make sure it gets in the correct position. All right, so another step is for you to just take a bit of glue, put it on the back there, put this little propeller piece right there. There you go. These are extra little pieces for you to do with as you will. Again, reference historical photographs if you wish. So this is actually the X-Craft completed. But now we have these side things here. So you can optionally just have this submarine like this. But you can have these side pieces on it if you wish as well. So let's go ahead and put those on. Complete this process. Put a little glue there and there. You can use the table as a guide. Make sure that they're going down in the correct spot. There you go. Alright, so what's next is actually to put this whole thing on the submarine. So for that process, just put a bit of glue down like that, and then carefully put this on the side. For where it goes on the side, if you just pay attention here, right there. So you see these little mark things right there. Put it on like that and let that dry, and there you have that. And then put the same thing onto the other side. Alright, so just take a bit of, put a bit of glue, too much glue there, but in this case that's okay. This piece needs to be glued on well. And then put this piece on the other side like you did the other one. reference the other side to make sure that they're going down in the same way. Alright, so there you have it. This is the X-Craft Submarine from Miniature Tanks Company. This is the first submarine that we're listing. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.